Decorate for the holidays with us. It's December 1st, which means it's Christmas time. First, we had to put away all our fall decor, which wasn't much. Christmas is definitely the star of the show in this house, so decorating is something we look forward to every year. Tom got the tree out of storage and set it all up for us. We made sure to fluff it out and make it look nice and full. We started out in the living room by hanging 2 of the wreaths, switching out to our Christmas pillows and adding our Christmas scented centerpiece. We don't have a fireplace in this apartment, so we decorate our TV stand instead, which works out because it came with a small fake fireplace heater, and this is where we hang our stockings each year. So something small I wanted to point out is we each have pins on our stockings. We have 5 on there because we've been together for 5 Christmases. So our first Christmas back in 2020, we decided to make a pin for our stocking. I believe this one was the 2021 for me, and then we've done one each year. And to be honest, it's been a mixture of us making our own pins and Tom making both of them because he's pretty talented when it comes to clay making. His are very detailed. You can see he even has wire glasses for his Santa. But yeah, we will soon have to start thinking about our 6th pin. We also love adding extra sprigs to each of our garlands to make them more full, so that's what we're doing here. We love all the extra greenery. We also add in some berries and ornaments to make it more festive. And then I have these little mini Funko Pop figurines. They are Harry Potter. There's Draco. There's Harry Potter. There's a bunch of these. I got these for a Christmas gift one year from one of my aunts. She knows I'm a big Harry Potter fan. So, whoopsies. So yeah, I have a whole bunch that I will be displaying. Harry Potter is a Christmas movie and you cannot convince me otherwise, so I love having these little guys out as a small nod to that. There's a third baby. There he is. Cute little family. Adding some window decor in our kitchen. Then we started on our dining setup. We made the centerpiece the same way we made our fireplace garland. I love making it each year. Hung a few more wreaths and then finally started on our tree. This is my favorite part. Our color theme is red and gold, so we laid out all our ornaments first to see what we had to work with before we started placing. And here is what the tree looks like all done. We also have a very special ornament to place this year. I got this from one of my friends in honor of our wedding last month. Here's our small little entryway with our second tree. We got this one a couple of years ago on mega sale at Home Goods. No, sorry, not Home Goods. At Home, which I think all of their stores are closed now, so that's really sad for us. We loved it there. But this one we got probably for like 40 bucks, so a really, really good deal. And then we have a matching flocked wreath here. So the downstairs is a bit more of a flocked and cool toned decor versus upstairs is warm with the regular tree unflocked. But yeah, I really like it down here, nice and frosty, and we're gonna go ahead and decorate this tree now. And here is this tree all done. I really love the cool colors down here. And we used the same ornaments to dress up the wreath as well. The final thing we did was hang garland on our staircases, which we added lights and ornaments to as well. And here is the grand reveal of all our decorations. I love how cozy our home feels during the holidays. I hope you enjoyed decorating with us, and I hope that you and your loved ones have a wonderful holiday season ahead. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!